Hello guys, we're back. Got another one. This is the 1.5 TSI engine, right? You probably see quite a few of them now. So there's something missing. I'm going to show you all about it in a second. But this is the 1.5 and it's presented today with a P227, I think it is. So air leak on the, it could be any side, just comes up with air leak. And you can hear it hissing when you've got the engine just idling. You can hear it hissing. Now, it's not enough to have an engine light on while idling, but it will restrict the revs. It'll come up on the screen, 4,000 no more RPM, and then eventually you'll get an engine light, right? And I just want to show you what the crack is with these PCVs. Now, if you've worked on Volkswagens in the past, you'll know where I'm going with this, but I want to show you what's gone wrong. So you see a lot of, oh, it's PCV, change that. It may fix it, it may not. But let's have a look at what's actually going wrong. So the original one to the car is here, and now the bolts are built into it, which helps. You don't want to be dropping no bolts down into the actual head. So it's the bit with the oil cap on it, and that's the part number of the old one, right? So it sits just on the top there, like that. And it's got a little diaphragm inside of it. So what you should be able to get is on there, hopefully, if I've got to try and do this with my mouth. So when you blow on that, that should work as a one-way, like a one-way valve, and that should seal one way and let air escape through the other. That's not doing that, it's wide open all the time. So that's the air leak, and that's just returning it and hissing. So it's almost like, in fact it is, unmetered air going into the engine. Now that you don't need, because that's going to mess with everything from fuel mixture. You're going to get lambda faults, you're going to eventually get a lot of issues, right? This one is the new updated part number, so if you haven't got out like that on your 1.5, guys, and it's got an issue with air leaks, definitely look into this diaphragm. And as you can see there, the diaphragm's a different colour for starters, and this one, when I put my gob on it, which is quite hard to do on camera, I'll tell you what, I turn the camera around and I should be able to get a tune out of it for you. Shall we see what song we can play? Here you are, so we're back. Right, I'm going to try and do this on camera so you can see. Let's get it up. So it doesn't matter what I'm doing, it's not stopping, it's not working as a one-way valve. Now you get the new one. Try and do this on camera as well. Sorry for the rattling. So let's have a look at that look. It's stopping it, right? So it's not letting all the air out, causing that unmetered air. So I just wanted to bring you along for this one, guys. I'll spin you around and get my ugly mug off the screen now. We'll pop you back down to the engine, and yeah, there you go. So there you go, guys. That is a failed part. I'll give the numbers again just in case. So I'll read them out. 05E103495, J for Juliet, is the old part. And there is a couple of letters that fall into the category of being shit. And then this is the new one, guys. So 05E103495, Alpha Hotel. So again, this is the updated part, and this has got the black diaphragm rather than the that one. Guys, I'll love you and leave you with this one. It's just one of the many air leaks you can find on a Volkswagen engine. So big love. See you in the next one. Love you, bye.